As you know, mobility is more important than ever. We've listened carefully to your concerns, and to support this ever growing need, we've deployed mobile applications for our JD Edwards customers. Our mobile applications cover a variety of functions, including work order management, PM checklist, purchase order receipts, purchase order approvals, and all aspects of storeroom management. And rather than proprietary scripting running on expensive specialty devices, our applications run on a variety of operating systems. The most common are the Apple iOS and Android operating system, and both run on a variety of hardware. These consumer devices are less expensive and are enhanced by a variety of accessories, including multi-device charging cradles and kiosk stands, allowing you to mount a tablet on the production floor, for example, so people can log work requests convenient to where they are working. With AMS mobile applications, you can work offline and automatically sync your work to JD Edwards when the device connection is reliable. We know exactly what you need to do your job for maintenance and storeroom operations in JD Edwards. This has been our focus and our specialty for 25 years. We know your precise pain points and provide real solutions. The first step is to contact us for a demo or visit us on our website at amseam.com. Ask us about custom applications tailored to your specific needs.